Rome to Naples by train is only 1 hour, but it's also a world away. And I was thrilled when my friend Paolo, who works down in Castellamare di Stabia, invited me to see the great work that he's doing. It's time to go to the Bay of Naples. The site is huge, and it's easy to get lost. I just got to find my friend Paolo, and he's going to be able to explain and answer all of my questions. Hey Paolo, ciao.
Ciao Darius.
How are you?
Pretty good, thank you.
Tell me something about this Villa San Marco. What is it?
Villa San Marco is an enormous Roman villa overlooking the Bay of Naples. As you can see over there is the Vesuvius, not far from Pompeii. So it's a perfect place for studying archaeology.
And what is the RAS Foundation doing here?
The RAS Foundation is coordinating excavation restoration project in Villa San Marco and Villa Arianna.
So basically you're giving people an opportunity from all over the world to come here and contribute.
We have students, we have archaeologists from different countries, and they have this fantastic experience that they can take part in our project.
And you're not just excavating, you're also doing conservation work, you're also doing restoring.
Exactly.
And here it is, a great Pompeii experience away from the hubbub of Pompeii. And it's absolutely free, isn't that right?
Absolutely free.
So you can come here on a daily basis and get this great experience all by yourself.
Right.
And enjoy the spectacular
You can spend a few hours here with this fantastic view of the Bay of Naples.
Thanks very much.
Ciao Darius, thank you.
I truly am amazed at just how much there is to see. And the quality of the remains is astounding. Paolo paints for me the history of the site in broad strokes. And all throughout our stroll, inside and out, we have incredible views of the Bay of Naples and Vesuvius.
And right next to Villa San Marco is the city gate of the Ancient Stabiae.
So you go up those stairs and you're inside a Stabia destroyed by the eruption of Vesuvius.
Yeah, right. Like Pompeii, like Herculaneum was destroyed in the 79.
But it's still waiting to be excavated.
Yeah, we hope to continue the excavation project in the following year.
It's an incredible opportunity.
Right. Darius, I want to show you one of the many jewels of Villa San Marco. Have you seen this? Is Perseus.
This is incredible, and the fact that it's still here, it wasn't ripped out in some earlier excavation.
Right, luckily they haven't seen it in the 18th century, the Bourbon diggers.
I'm equally impressed with the nearby Villa Arianna, where work of the foundation also continues. The sprawling site is on multiple levels and includes a private road that leads down to the sea. This truly is a place to absorb and contemplate the lives of those that once lived here along the Bay of Naples. Thank you so much for the visit.
You're welcome, Darius.
This is an incredible site. Now my question is, what do you envision for the site in the foundation in the next 5 or 10 years?
Of course, our goal is to improve the number of the team that come here to take part in the excavation, but first of all in the conservation process. This site needs to be preserved in the future. And also we would like to improve the number of facilities here. For example, finish the visitor center, so to create the bookshop, ticket office, some rooms for educational activities.
Well, I think you've got an incredible start. You've made incredible achievements, and I look forward to coming back again and again and seeing all the great progress for preserving ancient Stabiae and the villas.
You will be welcome, Darius.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The potential for the sites of Villa San Marco and Villa Arianna are so evident. It's like a tabula rasa waiting to be discovered by tourists to get on their radar. And what's amazing is the foundation in just a handful of years has been able to do so much. There's still so much more to do, but they've achieved a great deal in a short amount of time.